Hi, just updating what happened to my lawn after just doing a quarter of my backyard. And now that quarter side has grown 2 to 3 inches high, and I have to redo everything and try to finish it off all today. Otherwise, I'll have a pet snake soon in my backyard. So this is the one I've done last 3 days ago. I have to redo it so I can finish this one. Otherwise, this will be longer compared to this one. So look how untidy my yard is. My God. Mind you, this mama has to do the front yard. I think I'll try to do it today if I can, but I doubt it. I might have to do it tomorrow morning if I'm not getting any work shift called or offered tomorrow. I think I did a good job killing the grass. I have to redo that patch there because that's what I did 3 days ago, and it's grown already, and I still have the front yard to worry. I think I'm gonna have a pet snake soon. I need a break. I'm entitled to have a break, right? Sweaty. I think I burned how many calories? But my hair is messy. I'd love to finish it all off today, but have to go out and catch up with a friend over lunch. I ran out of thread. I think I need a break. I'm so tired. I killed the grass. And the biggest problem I have now is this one. I have to work it out again because I forgot. If you remember, my hands are shaking. I'm catching my breath. I had a video of this about this last time. How to put it back. You know what? That will be another day's worry. I'm so bloody tired. I'm gonna go out and look after myself this time. Go for a manicure, hopefully a pedicure as well, and then have lunch with a friend to catch up. I'm so sweaty. Bloody hell. Oh, I needed that drink. If I'm not going out, I'll have vodka instead. I'm supposed to be at work today, but I called in sick because mentally I'm sick a little bit. And I think mowing is my outlet to release all that frustration and anger at the moment. After all, it's been a month. It's been a month. But I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I need a good drink. Watch me. I'm gonna shower, get ready, and go out. I'll look pretty. At the moment, I look trash. I'm still in my sleeping top. But yeah, I'll fix my face soon. I'm just gonna rest for maybe 30 minutes and then shower and watch out. Watch out for a better me after I shower. This one is shit at the moment. Anyway, see you next time. My eyes, look at that. It's puffy. I've been awake since 5:30. It's already 11 now. And it's hot. Bloody hot in Queensland. Anyway.